Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm Stanford, yes. How are you?
Stanford. What's your surname?
Derere.
Derere. And Stanford,
Yes.
where are you from?
From Toko.
Mutoko.
Northeast, yes, northeast of Mutoko.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. And when did you learn to sculpt?
It's been a long time since around 1980s, from 85. I used to be a painter before then.
All right.
So I did leave painting, then I have to start on sculpture around when I was at the BAT workshop. That's when I
BAT,
started,
yeah.
BAT workshop.
British American Tobacco.
That's when I started a bit of sculptor.
Do you remember what year that was?
That was 1985.
Oh,
Yeah, that was the first year when I entered the BAT workshop.
That was the first year it was running?
Yes.
It started then?
That's right.
And then you went in?
Yeah.
As a painter?
Yeah, I started as a painter.
Okay.
Then later on, I switched to
Sculpting. Who taught you?
I was the BAT workshop, Paul Wade.
Okay.
And some other, like Doris Banda and others.
Was Doreen sculpting?
Yeah, no, she was an instructor, our education officer at
Oh,
the time.
okay. I didn't know that. Okay,
Sure,
Doreen's now the director at the National Gallery
That's
of Zimbabwe.
right, no, sure.
Right.
Paul Wade.
Okay, Paul Wade.
Yeah,
What's
that
he
was our
doing now?
instructor. It must be painting, I'm sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah,
Sure.
okay. And so, at the moment, you do birds. You do lots of
Yeah,
birds.
I do lots of birds.
They're beautiful.
Mixed media, wood, steel, and stone together.
Okay, and we're at Dominic Ben-Hura's studio.
That's right.
So how did you get involved here at the studio? How did
I
you...
was involved through Glenn Salvani.
Okay.
Yeah, then at that time I was right in the countryside there. Then he came looking at me,
Yeah.
for me at Chapungu. Then somebody had to be sent there.
To
down there
Mutoko?
To get me, Mutoko, yeah. To get
Okay.
me.
Okay, so he introduced you to Dominic.
That's right.
Okay.
So I didn't have a place to work on. He wanted some pieces.
Right.
Then I didn't have the place to work on. So he said, I've got a friend here, Dominic. That's how I got involved. He connected with him now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you've been here for quite a few years now,
Yeah,
hey?
it's over nearly, must be 10 years, I'm sure.
Nearly 10 years, yeah.
It should be 10.
Because it's
or
been
more.
12 years that I've been
Yeah.
working in sculpture
That's
as well.
Right, yeah, sure.
Hey, time goes quickly, hey.
Yeah, runs, right.
And are you married,
Right.
Stanford? Do you have children?
Yes, I'm married to Abigail Matengambiri.
Okay.
5 children.
5?
Yeah, 2 boys, 3 girls. The 2 are married. The other one is still at college. She's learning designing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have grandchildren yet or not yet?
Sorry?
No grandchildren?
I've got some. Yeah, I've got about 5 grandchildren.
Ooh.
Big man.
You're a big man.
Sure, it's nice to have, siblings. Oh,
Yeah.
This is me here. It's all these. It's
Yeah.
very nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet. Lovely.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's cute.
Sure.
All right, Stanford, thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thanks.